Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Arc Raiders playtest crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, not loading, stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue, black screen problem or any other crashing error on PC. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to try -DX11 or -DX12 in launch options. This has helped many players to fix the problem. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Arc Raiders playtest and select properties. Now in the launch option type -DX11, then close the tab and then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties, this time type -DX12, then close the tab and then launch the game and check. Now this has worked for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. But still, if your problem is not solved, then again go to properties. Now remove the command from the launch options and then close the tab and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Arc Raiders playtest game, select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of beta files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also try this trick. Right click properties of the game and select verify files. Other files update may be needed for your game. Then delete the file again because Steam will probably download the file again and then see if this help or not. Now fix 3 is to close conflicting and unnecessary programs. Close other anti-cheat software such as EA Anti-Cheat. If you have played any EA games, for example Battlefield 6, then close the EA Anti-Cheat software. Also close Riot Vanguard. So click on these hidden items, then right click on Riot Vanguard and then click on Exit Vanguard. Click yes to allow. Similarly, if you find any unnecessary program running in the background, then close it and then you can launch the game and check. Also close program like Razer Synapse and YOLO Mouse. Also close Auto Hotkey. You can close this program from the task manager or hidden items. Or you can also uninstall Auto Hotkey from your PC completely and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to install Easy Anti-Cheat for the game. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Arc Raiders playtest game, then select manage, then click on browse local files. Now open Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Now right click on Easy Anti-Cheat EO setup and then click on run as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Even if you don't see anything, just run it Easy Anti-Cheat EO setup as an administrator. Now go back, open installer folder. Now double click install Easy Anti-Cheat and then press any key to continue. And that's it. Now again try to run the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to update the GPU driver to the latest version. So simply update your graphic card driver to the latest version and then you can launch the game and check. And the last solution is to update Windows. So simply open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available then you can download and install it. Then restart your PC once, and after your PC restart then you can launch the Steam and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily fix Arc Raiders playtest crashing, crash at startup, crashing to desktop, not loading or stuck on loading screen, freezing issue, black screen problem or any other crashing error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.